Hey everybody, I've been using these 3D printed stackable boxes for the past few years to sort out stuff on my desk, like memory cards, thumb drives, SSD drives, cables and adapters. They're super thin and lightweight and have been printed with a 1mm nozzle in base mode. But now they started showing some problems inherent to their best qualities. The sides are not straight anymore, they started bowing, and some also started cracking. Probably have been too demanding and put too much weight in them. Now I want to try and take the best characteristics of these and make them out of plywood. Now I lay out the slot that will be the handle. I stack all the pieces up with double-sided tape and then I will drill and cut all at once. To put the box together I use wood glue and a few dabs of medium density CA glue. The accelerator will instantly lock everything in place, allowing me to move quickly to the next step. Here I'm using an offcut as a spacer to raise the sides and leave a rabbet around the bottom that will allow each box to precisely fit into the one below. Now these butt joints are probably gonna be just fine as they are, but just in case I'm gonna use dowels. And by dowels I mean toothpicks. Toothpicks are 2mm, which is about 5/64, and I'm using a 2mm drill bit. Toothpicks are made of bamboo and they're strong, flexible and perfect for this job. I make sure to drill as straight as possible because there isn't really much room for error here. And now it's time to finish the boxes with 2 coats of very pale colors and 1 coat of clear gloss. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.